We're doing a video inspection and demonstration of the day for TM Trading. It's a John Deere 710G tractor loader backhoe. It's a late model hoe. It's low hours, around 6,000 hours, and it's right in every way. She's ready to go on a job, ready to go to work. Take you all the way around it. This is extend a hoe. We're going to show you that in the video. As you can see, there's no welds anywhere on the boom. Machine's right off the job. Belong to an oil and gas company. The only reason she's for sale is because they had another contractor do their work now or something. No welds on the front boom. All nice tight pins. I'll show you up in the operator station. It's fully cabin closed. All the glass is there. A couple glass for you. Don't forget, it's almost snow plowing season. A wonderful machine for that. Got a big wing on the front of it. Push anything. All cabbed up. You see what a tight machine this is. I'm going to show you that everything works and runs perfectly on her.